Hey everyone, if the sound isn't working in Borderlands 4, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven solutions to get your audio working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then open it. Click on Hardware and Sound, open Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select them and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set at the lowest level. Solution 3. In the same Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Set the sample rate to either 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds new drivers, install them. Solution 6. In the same Update Driver menu, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver and press Next. Wait for the installation to finish, then restart your PC to apply changes. Bonus step. Sometimes sound issues are tied to GPU drivers. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest version. And that's it. After following these steps, the sound in Borderlands 4 should be working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.